For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app.
अभी मतलब रोना आ रहा है अभी, but I don't want to cry on camera.
Heartthrob singer and actor Mr. Arman Malik
Hi guys.
अपने फैंस यानी अरमानियंस के कमेंट्स को पढ़ के उन्होंने रिप्लाई दिया है।
I'm here as promised.
तो ये रहा फैंस के सवालों का उनका जवाब।
So yeah, I am ready to do that. How many times can you look this hot and handsome? अरे वाह, thank you so much. पता नहीं यार, how many times will I keep looking this hot and handsome? After watching this video, I too want to make my room same as that wall full of stars. Wow, even I want a room like that. I hope that in the future I can create a room which has a wall full of stars. Why was your Teo hair missing? Okay, so for all those people who don't know what Teo hair means, Teo hair is that one strand of hair that was coming on my forehead in control, and I only on some live I think I called it Teo, and तब से everyone's like where's that Teo hair? हर वीडियो में तो नहीं हो सकता वो Teo वाला hair, so probably next time try करूँगा, but yeah इस वीडियो में नहीं था Teo वाला hair. A lot of you guys are saying lots of love, we प्यार you Arman. I प्यार you guys too. Waiting for the moment when you will top Billboard charts and will win your first Grammy. Yeah, fingers crossed. I get all the amazing things there are to achieve. I don't know how soon. I don't know if it's next year, but I mean, तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर. I hope I get it next year. But there's a lot of work to put in. There's a lot of मेहनत that needs to go before I get there. So yeah, I'm going to do that. वैसे ग्रैमी के बीचों बीच AM है तो मिलना तो चाहिए. Sorry for my lame jokes. I think 1.3k people don't have any sense of music. I think she means to say that the 1.3k people who have disliked this video don't have any sense of music. I guess they don't. I like that comment. Is there any surprise waiting for us in this December? Obviously, I won't tell what's the surprise. Of course, there are surprises. There's always a surprise with me. Song surprises, non-song surprises, lot of stuff. सबसे पहले तो BTS आएगा, which is the behind the scenes. Arman sir, big Pankha here. Oh, okay, big fan. Amazing, good comment. Very nice. How many times will you not get the girl? I don't know now. I mean, in every single of mine, I don't get the girl. I don't know why. I think maybe only in Aajana Ferrari mein I think I'm like kind of, but even that song is about the girl ignoring me. So I don't know what's happening. I think I need to make a in love wala song where the girl is with me and there's no heartbreak, there's no sadness, there's no girl leaving me and going. How many months till we can see Arman performing live again? It's a very tough question to kind of answer. When things get better, when a lot of people can gather together, I mean, it's going to take some time. I don't think it's going to happen very soon. It'll take a year for sure. I believe that. I mean, I hope that things get better before that. What's your favorite song in Telugu? I love that song. Have you ever played Among Us? No, I've heard so much about Among Us. What is this? क्या game है ये? मतलब please कोई समझाओ. What is this game? I have never played Among Us and I've heard so much about it. Even my friends keep talking about it, but need to get into it. Comment if you feel like I should be playing Among Us. हमें वी देख लो सर। ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है, लोग भी के जगह वी क्यों लिखते हैं? मतलब what's the vibe, like what's happening, why is it we? जस्टिन बीबर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करो ना। I mean जब भी वो होगा तब होगा। I mean I have no answer for that because I have never met him, but hopefully I meet him soon, and yeah, I love his music, and if we get to collaborate one day, that'll be amazing. Man, did you remember how many times you have left home in 2020? I've left my house for work, I think around 6 times. One was a how many video shoot, then there was a how many photo shoot, L Song Association shoot. 2-3 other times I went for a recording. Yeah, I was recording a few Telugu and Kannada songs. So yeah, I think around 6 to 7 times I've stepped out of my house for work. In beat at 2:21 has my whole heart. Arman, is that a tabla or something else? I'm really happy that I can use my Indian instruments in my Western pop music. It's a really cool fusion, and I'm glad that I'm able to do it. Shout out to Jimmy, who produced this song for me. He cleverly used these Indian elements in the song. Do you think the video would have come out better if it would have been shot in Los Angeles? I was a little skeptical, and I thought that maybe I should wait it out and probably go to Los Angeles and shoot it. But actually I want everyone to know there was a completely Indian crew shooting How Many. Except for Kristen, who's the lead girl with me in the video. Apart from her, everyone in the video was completely an Indian crew and from Bombay, and it gives me so much happiness that we can create this kind of stuff in India, in Bombay, and achieve this kind of level. The whole world wants you to collaborate with BTS. That will be fire. Yeah, I'm down to collaborating with them whenever they are down to doing something with an Indian artist. I think it'll be really cool for an Indian artist and a Korean artist to come together and do something. Asia represent on a global stage. Who was the first member in your family to see the music video and to hear How Many? The first person to hear How Many was my mom. She heard How Many when it was made like 2 years back. How Many was made 2 years back, yes. So she heard it then. The first person to see the music video when I got the first edit was my papa. He and I was chilling in my studio, and we were seeing the first edit, and we were really blown away. Can you say some words for your Bangladeshi Armanians? I love all the people from Bangladesh. I get so much love from that country. So yeah, I'm going to be there very, very soon once this pandemic gets better. Was that mask you wore a few days ago which had your monogram on it a part of your merch? Is merch coming? It could be. Aa raha hai. Don't worry. I promised you guys, and I've spoken about it. That means it's on its way. How was your feeling when you were recording the video? It was the best experience ever, and that's what has it's just come to life in such a beautiful way. We shot the whole video in just a day. I think it was more than a 12-hour shoot. I think easy 14-15 hours shoot. I think the one where I'm on the bed and there's like this whole spatial galaxy kind of thing happening, stars, like the whole night sky. I really love that. I'm a big space fan, so that is definitely one of my favorite shots. बहुत सारे colors हैं. There's a lot of light work happening, which I really love, and I wanted to take that to the next level. When I sat down with Shivan and Sunny, the kind of like images we were getting blues, reds, and some really fast visuals at the back so that it would go with the audio.
फैंस के प्यार को देख के अरमान थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गए।
I'm so thankful to you. I'm so grateful and blessed that I have the Armanian army by my side. So thank you so much. अभी मतलब रोना आ रहा है अभी, but I don't want to cry on camera. It's been a dream of mine to do English music, and जब आप लोग इतने प्यार से उसे सुनते हो और शेयर करते हो, despite you guys some of you all not even understanding some of the words because you all don't listen to English music that much, it means so much to me. I was so scared, so nervous when I was doing this whole thing, and I thought ki would not accept me as an English pop singer, but I have not seen even 1% of that. You guys have just loved everything that I've put out, and I say we because I don't achieve things alone. It's all with you guys. We are winning everything. We are getting all the millions of views. We are getting all the amazing comments. It's not me, it's us.
और उन्होंने अपने अर्मानियंस को अपना प्यार दिया।
I love you all, and COVID cases are rising, so please maintain all the social distancing, do all the stuff that's required to be safe. Okay, bye.
तो आगे भी कई सारे वीडियोस को एंजॉय करने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक करना मत भूलना।